Hi everybody. So, what exactly is Memdojo? Memdojo is a learning system based on spaced repetition. Though various techniques can be used, none of them are as quick or reliable as spaced repetition when it comes to memorization. Memdojo does not discriminate whether you are a good student or not, and even if the material isn't your favorite, it will let you remember what you need to know. Let's see how we can create a course. For example, let's take some facts about Mars and turn them into questions using the super simple Memdojo markup system. Before we start writing the course, let's create a profile. You can have multiple profiles on the same computer if you want, but for now, we'll just make one. Let's pretend you are Elon Musk. The profile is automatically saved, so you don't have to worry about losing your work. Once you're finished setting up your profile, click on the Close button, the little cross on the top right-hand corner, to go back to the main screen. To define a course, you have to choose a title and mention the author. You also have to create a path. The path of a course is pretty important because it creates a structured order for all the course you will add to your learning experience. This way, you will be able to keep track of where the course falls about everything else you know. Let's click on the Edit button to show the question list and rearrange the interface a bit so it's easy to see what we are doing. With the question list, the toolbox and the question view, you will be able to create questions and see how they will look when answered. With Memdojo, we present facts in the format of a question and use that to guide the answer. Right now, we will be dealing with text only, but keep in mind that Memdojo is designed for multimedia. The next version will introduce picture and sounds. We'll eventually add rich interaction using cutting-edge technologies like video, animation, and 3D. To start a course, you must add a question and set the title. The path is the course path, so it's already set. Then, you write a sentence that explains something relevant to the course. We use brackets to identify which words or phrases we want to memorize. It's okay to redact multiple words in the same question, but don't make text too long. Make sure to not cover up too much to give context to the question. The title is important for this reason. Furthermore, be cautious about asking the same question but giving different answers, as the person taking the test will not know which response is correct in that case. You can test how the question looks by using the dialogue and question mark icons at any moment. After you finish coding the questions, the course can be started right away. Once you have selected the appropriate profile for the users who want to take the course, go to the dashboard and enroll them in it. You can answer as many or as few questions as you want per learning session, depending on how you want to pace yourself. So you are always in control. To do so, select the number of questions you want per session. After you are finished, return to the main view and select the student hat icon to start learning. Memdojo quizzes you on the question you input and redact them. You will answer the question aloud or in your mind, then check the answer by clicking on the I icon. If the answer is correct, then click on the OK icon, the little V. This will show the next question. If the answer was not correct, click on the crossed I icon. This will hide the answer. Answer the question again and check your answer. If it's correct, click OK. If not, hide the answer and answer the question again. Loop like this until the answer is correct. This loop is designed to have the correct answer passed to your working memory, which should last about 1 day. For the first time you answer a question, that is. After you review a question, Memdojo will automatically calculate when you need to review it again. It could be some minutes after or years in the future. Managing this process would be impossible for one person, especially if you take multiple courses. Memdojo will continuously monitor your progress and performance for each course, so you can be sure that you are always learning at an optimal level. The idea is to work as little as possible in order to maintain what you have learned in your memory. With Memdojo, you are in complete control of your learning experience. Pick up and stop your session at any time, and we'll save your progress until you come back. If you want to learn more, just start a new session. You can have as many sessions as you want every day, reviewing as much or as little of each lesson as you need to. Incomplete sessions will expire the next day. The most important thing is to learn something every day, even if it's just a little bit. You don't have to and shouldn't try to cram everything in at once. Instead, focus on being consistent. You can also get crazy and select as many courses as you want. There is no downside to it. In fact, learning multiple topics will only make you more creative, as you don't have to worry about what to review or when to review your learning stuff. Feel free to learn as much as you like.